Hi, Christine Faulkner with Cavett and Faulkner, estate planning attorney in Elk Grove.
And Michelle Gibson, Realtor in Elk Grove with Keller Williams. So Christine, our industries, like mine as well, get a bad rap as far as like trustworthy or used car salesman as far as real estate. Why is it? It's true. And lawyers get a bad rap as well. I mean, what do you think about that?
Yeah, completely. I mean, I've been practicing for over 28 years and I was a litigator for a long time before I moved into estate planning. And I know that people hate lawyers. I've had people tell me that to my face. I hate lawyers. I don't want to work with a lawyer. And so you hit one of the nails on the head in your comments about trustworthiness. I think the number one people worry about with lawyers is this guy literally like a used car salesman? Are they just trying to take me to the bank and get my money? And there's a lot of mystery around the law. There is a lot of esoteric knowledge that lawyers have that the ordinary people don't. And lawyers are a little different than doctors, right? We're not kind of tinkering with your body parts, but we are definitely tinkering with some really important stuff that happens in people's lives. And many times lawyers come to do business with people in a time when there's a lot of fear. I think I'm really lucky that the area of law that I practice in, I'm fortunate that many people who come to see me, they're really not in a state of fear. They're in a state of curiosity. They want to know more and they want to know what will happen. But many areas of the law, really, lawyers are seeing people at their absolute worst. They're in the middle of a lawsuit. They're very afraid. And so that fear factor plays into perception. But trustworthiness is probably the highest, can I trust this person? And I want to say that we really try to build trust from the very first contact that people have with our firm. When people call, we want to be really prompt and answer. We have a real person answering the phone. It doesn't go to voicemail. If it does, it's because it's after hours and we try to call people back within 24 hours. But you're always going to deal with a live person here from the very beginning to the very end. And I think in my practice, one of the things that I have specifically designed is for me to spend a lot of time with clients, really getting to know them and really getting to understand who they are, what they need, and also for them getting to know me. And I think that that's a big trust factor and a trust builder. People appreciate the opportunity to do business because they value that, getting a lot of face time with me. So that's just a little thing, a little reason why people don't trust lawyers. They hate working with lawyers. They feel like they can't trust them because they really don't get to spend a lot of time with them. So that's it for this edition. Thanks, Michelle.
That was perfect and super spot on and very relatable. And that's what I found working with you as well, is you do take the time to understand our needs and, becoming very transparent. So thank you so much.
Sure.